Hey there, guys. Today, we will find out what is a shipper. Let's get started. So, what exactly is a shipper? In simple terms, a shipper is an individual or a company that is responsible for sending goods or cargo from one location to another through a transportation service. They are the initiators of the shipping process, making sure that their goods reach their intended destination. Now, let's talk about the responsibilities of a shipper. Their main goal is to ensure that the goods are properly prepared, packaged, and labeled for transportation. They play a crucial role in initiating and organizing the shipping process. Firstly, a shipper needs to accurately determine the quantity and type of goods to be shipped. They assess the packaging and labeling requirements for the specific cargo, ensuring compliance with safety and transportation regulations. Once the goods are ready for shipment, the shipper is responsible for coordinating with transportation providers, such as freight carriers or freight brokers. They arrange for the pickup of the goods, negotiate transportation rates, and handle the necessary documentation. Now, let's explore the transportation and documentation aspects of a shipper's responsibilities. Transportation. Shippers select the appropriate transportation mode for their goods based on factors like cost, speed, and the nature of the cargo. They coordinate with carriers or freight brokers, arrange for pickup or delivery, and ensure that the goods are handed over to the transportation service provider in a timely manner. Documentation. Shippers handle the necessary documentation related to the shipment. This includes preparing bills of lading, commercial invoices, packing lists, customs forms, and any other required paperwork. Accurate and complete documentation is crucial for customs clearance, tracking, and legal compliance. And there you have it, guys. The role of a shipper is vital in the shipping and logistics industry. They are the initiators of the shipping process, responsible for preparing, packaging, and arranging transportation for goods. Next time you receive a package, take a moment to appreciate the effort and coordination that went into getting it to your doorstep, with a shipper playing a crucial role behind the scenes. Thank you for joining me on this educational adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.